Marry Jarna Bhagwani or marry Leah Halton? Nobody can answer the last one. Marry Charli D'Amelio or marry Addison Rae? Marry Kimberly Loaiza or marry Lauren Gray? Marry Dixie D'Amelio or marry Avani Gregg? Marry Jojo Siwa or marry the third person that pops up when you click share and more? Marry Bella Poarch or marry Kenzie Ziegler? Comment your favorite TikToker owes past the opportunity. Marry Maddie Ziegler or marry Madison Beer?